Hey there, adventurers. Have you ever dreamed of exploring a place where towering mountains touch the clouds? A place with lush green valleys and sparkling rivers? That place is Uttarakhand, India. Nestled in the Himalayas, Uttarakhand is a paradise waiting to be discovered. Get ready for an adventure. Uttarakhand is known as the land of gods for a reason. It's home to ancient temples and spiritual sites. But what really takes your breath away is the natural beauty. From snow-capped peaks to flower-filled meadows, Uttarakhand has it all. Let's embark on a journey to some of the most stunning destinations in this magical land. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of nature. Trust me, you'll want to add Uttarakhand to your travel bucket list. Look up, see those towering giants? Those are the Himalayas, and they're absolutely incredible. Uttarakhand is home to some of the highest peaks in the world. Nanda Devi, Kamet and Trishul stand tall and proud, their snowy summits piercing the sky. These mountains aren't just impressive, they're sacred. Locals believe the Himalayas are the abode of the gods. You can feel the spiritual energy as you breathe in the fresh mountain air. It's truly awe-inspiring. The Himalayas are a paradise for adventure seekers. Mountaineers from all over the world come to test their skills on these challenging peaks. Even if you're not a climber, you can trek to the base camps and marvel at their grandeur. Trust me, seeing the Himalayas up close is an experience you'll never forget. They're a powerful reminder of the raw beauty and power of nature. Imagine a valley carpeted in a rainbow of wildflowers. That's the Valley of Flowers, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Uttarakhand. This place is a true feast for the eyes. During the monsoon season, the valley bursts into life. Red, yellow, purple, pink, you name it, you'll find it here. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. The air is filled with the sweet scent of flowers. Keep an eye out for rare and exotic blooms like the Brahma Kamal, the blue poppy, and the cobra lily. These beautiful flowers are found only at high altitudes. The Valley of Flowers is a photographer's dream come true. But this valley isn't just about pretty flowers. It's also home to a variety of wildlife, including musk deer, Himalayan black bears, and even snow leopards. So keep your eyes peeled. Ready to escape the heat? Head to Nainital, a charming hill station perched around a beautiful lake. It's known as the Lake District of India, and for good reason. Nainital Lake is the star attraction. Hop on a colourful boat and enjoy a leisurely ride across the water. The surrounding hills, covered in pine and oak forests, create a stunning backdrop. Take a stroll along the Mall Road, lined with shops and restaurants. Or visit the Naina Devi Temple, perched on a hilltop overlooking the lake. The views from up there are breathtaking. Nainital is the perfect place to relax and rejuvenate in the lap of nature. The cool mountain air, the sound of birdsong, and the serene lake will soothe your soul. Section 5, Rishikesh Yoga Capital by the Ganges. Nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, this serene town is a haven for those seeking spiritual growth and inner peace. Looking for peace and tranquility? Imagine a place where the gentle murmur of the river soothes your soul, and the majestic mountains inspire your spirit. Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world, is calling your name. Here, the ancient practice of yoga is not just an exercise, but a way of life. This spiritual town is located where the holy Ganges River flows down from the Himalayas, bringing with it a sense of purity and renewal. Rishikesh is a hub for yoga and meditation. The town is dotted with numerous ashrams and retreat centers, where you can immerse yourself in these ancient practices. Countless ashrams and yoga centers offer classes for all levels, from beginners to experienced yogis. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to deepen your practice, you'll find a welcoming community here. From beginners to experienced yogis, everyone can find a place to grow and learn in Rishikesh. The sound of chanting and the scent of incense fill the air, creating a serene atmosphere that calms the mind and uplifts the spirit. Take a dip in the holy Ganges River. This sacred ritual is believed to wash away sins and purify the soul, offering a fresh start and a sense of spiritual cleansing. It's believed to wash away sins and purify the soul. Many pilgrims come here to perform rituals and seek blessings. You can also witness the Ganga Aarti, a daily fire ceremony performed on the banks of the river. This mesmerizing ritual is a tribute to the river goddess and a celebration of life and light. A daily fire ceremony performed on the banks of the river, the Ganga Aarti is a sight to behold. The flickering flames and the rhythmic chants create an atmosphere of devotion and reverence. It's a truly magical experience. As the sun sets and the sky darkens, the riverbank comes alive with light and music, leaving you with a sense of awe and wonder. Whether you're seeking spiritual enlightenment or simply want to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Rishikesh offers a sanctuary for the soul. Or simply want to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Rishikesh is the perfect place to find your inner peace. The tranquil nature scenes and peaceful riverside provide a perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. Rishikesh is the perfect place to find your inner peace. Come, explore, and let the magic of this spiritual town transform you. Section 6. Jim Corbett National Park, where tigers roam, calling all wildlife enthusiasts. If you have a passion for the wild and a love for adventure, then Jim Corbett National Park is the place for you. Get ready for an unforgettable safari adventure in Jim Corbett National Park, India's oldest national park. Established in 1936, this park has a rich history and is named after the famous hunter-turned-conservationist Jim Corbett. Jim Corbett is a haven for wildlife. Spanning over 520 square kilometers, the park offers a diverse range of habitats, from dense forests to open grasslands. It's home to a large population of Bengal tigers, as well as elephants, leopards, and deer. The park is one of the best places in India to see these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. And it's not just about the big mammals. Jim Corbett National Park is also a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 600 species of birds. From the vibrant kingfisher to the majestic eagle, there's always something to catch your eye. Keep your eyes peeled and your cameras ready. Every moment in the park is a photo opportunity waiting to happen. Hop on a jeep safari and explore the park's diverse landscapes. The thrill of driving through the forest, with the possibility of spotting a tiger around every corner, is an experience like no other. From dense forests and grasslands to rivers and watering holes, the park's varied terrain supports a wide range of wildlife. The rivers and watering holes are lifelines for the animals, providing them with essential resources. Watching animals gather at these spots is a sight to behold. Experienced guides will help you spot elusive creatures and teach you about the park's ecosystem. Their knowledge and expertise make the safari even more enriching. They will share fascinating insights about the behavior and habits of the animals, as well as the importance of conservation efforts. Remember to respect the wildlife and maintain a safe distance. These animals are wild and unpredictable, and it's crucial to follow your guide's instructions. These animals are wild and unpredictable, so it's crucial to follow your guide's instructions. Safety is paramount, and respecting the animal's space ensures a harmonious experience for everyone. So listen carefully to the safety instructions provided by your guide. They are there to ensure that your adventure is both thrilling and safe. A visit to Jim Corbett National Park is a thrilling experience that will bring you face to face with the wonders of the wild. The memories you make here will last a lifetime. Whether it's the sight of a Bengal tiger prowling through the forest or the sound of birds singing at dawn, Jim Corbett National Park offers an unparalleled wildlife experience. So pack your bags, charge your cameras, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Section 7. Trekking Trails, Adventure Awaits. Welcome to the ultimate guide for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. For all you adventure junkies, Uttarakhand is a trekking paradise. Nestled in the lap of the Himalayas, this region offers an array of trekking experiences that cater to both beginners and seasoned trekkers. Lace up your boots and get ready to explore some of the most scenic trails in the Himalayas. The journey begins the moment you step onto these ancient paths, each step taking you deeper into the heart of nature. From easy day hikes to challenging multi-day treks, there's something for everyone. Trek through rhododendron forests, cross gushing rivers, and feel the thrill of adventure with every stride. And when the day ends, set up camp under a star-studded sky. Imagine the warmth of a campfire, the camaraderie of fellow trekkers, and the twinkling stars above as you share stories and dreams. It's an experience you won't find anywhere else. The landscapes here are unique, offering a blend of natural beauty and cultural richness that is unparalleled. One popular trek is the Rupkund Trek, which leads to a mysterious lake filled with human skeletons. This trek is not just about the physical challenge, but also the intriguing history and legends that surround it. Another challenging but rewarding trek is the Valley of Flowers Trek, which takes you through breathtaking landscapes. Imagine walking through meadows bursting with vibrant colors, each step revealing a new hue and fragrance. Before you set off, make sure you're properly equipped with sturdy shoes, warm clothing, and all the essentials. Preparation is key to enjoying a safe and memorable trekking experience. Pack enough food and water to keep your energy levels up. Hydration and nutrition are crucial when you're out on the trails, ensuring you stay strong and focused. It's always a good idea to hire a local guide who knows the trails well. Their expertise can make a significant difference, providing insights and ensuring your safety. Trekking in Uttarakhand is not just about physical endurance. It's a holistic experience that engages your mind, body, and soul. It's about connecting with nature, challenging yourself, and finding moments of introspection and peace amidst the wilderness. And most importantly, it's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. The bonds you form, the challenges you overcome, and the beauty you witness will stay with you forever. So are you ready to embark on this unforgettable adventure? Section 8. Spiritual Aura, Temples and Ashrams. Uttarakhand is known as the land of gods for a reason. It's dotted with ancient temples and spiritual sites that attract pilgrims and seekers from all over the world. One of the most sacred sites is Badrinath, a temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Another important temple is Kedarnath, dedicated to Lord Shiva. These temples are part of the Char Dham pilgrimage, a journey to 4 holy sites in Uttarakhand. Haridwar, located on the banks of the Ganges River, is another important pilgrimage site. It's believed that taking a dip in the holy waters at Haridwar can wash away sins. Whether you're religious or not, visiting these spiritual sites is a humbling experience. The architecture, the rituals, and the devotion of the pilgrims create a unique atmosphere that's hard to describe. Section 9. Your dream destination. So adventurers, have I sparked your wanderlust? Uttarakhand, with its majestic mountains, serene lakes, spiritual vibes, and thrilling wildlife, offers something for everyone. Which of these incredible destinations would you love to explore? The snow-capped Himalayas, the colorful Valley of Flowers, or perhaps the spiritual town of Rishikesh? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, adventure is out there waiting for you, and Uttarakhand is the perfect place to find it. So pack your bags, grab your gear, and get ready for an unforgettable journey to the land of gods.